All right, well, I know it's a while away, but hey, every now and then you need a little ray of hope, especially when we're dealing with these type of cold spells. But 43 days away until the official beginning of spring. That will be on March the 20th at 6:45 p.m. And even we here into the UP, we know that even once this date officially comes, it doesn't mean that the weather will. We do have that south-southwest wind in place, and it's not all bad news. It's going to continue to bring in that milder air mass, and as we head into Friday afternoon or Friday evening, it looks like we'll see that temperature start to rise closer to, I would say, the lower 20s and maybe even the middle 20s for afternoon highs before cooling off yet again, especially in our eastern part at 21 miles per hour. So conditions will be breezy for us throughout the overnight, and not quite as this breezy, probably dropping down between 10 to 15 miles per hour, but that's still going to add a bit of a bite to the very cool air that we'll have in place. Temperatures across the state: 14 in Escanaba, farther south 13 in Gaylord, and at 19 down in Grand Rapids. And here are a look at your wind chills with those very windy conditions. -8 in Marquette, -8 also in Escanaba, and at 5 above in Ironwood. And relatively speaking, that's a tad warmer for us. Let's take a look at our headlines. Clouds return throughout the overnight. Milder temps as we go into Friday with those late flurries beginning to work their way in, and then we'll have an active weekend as it looks like the jet stream will set up right across the UP and even for the rest of the northern Great Lakes and provide opportunity after opportunity for snow. But it doesn't look to be a huge or strong system pushing in, but we will have that persistent snow that could accumulate to right around 2 to 4 inches as it looks right now. But let's take a look at what's happening with this all. High pressure just to our south today. That kept us clear earlier on before more of that moisture started to work its way in during this afternoon. But it looks like this cooler air mass will begin to push its way southward, especially as we go into Friday night. But early tomorrow, we'll have that milder air in place, and that will help us make our way into the lower 20s and a few of us in the middle 20s farther off to the east. Here's a look at your futurecast model tonight. Seeing that clouds will be in and out early on, but then as we go into Friday, really seeing them thicken, and then we'll have our next chance of light snow heading into Friday evening, Friday night. That'll push out of here quickly yet again, and then we'll have another wave of snow come in as we go into Saturday. Look at how it just trains right behind each other. There goes Saturday, and here comes Sunday with another disturbance coming in with more snow for that. So for tonight, we'll drop down to 4 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy, west winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at Friday, mostly cloudy, and then those light snow showers do move in. Northwest winds between 5 to 10 miles per hour, and temperatures more of the upper teens closer to the north and west at 17 in Houghton, 17 also in Lawrence, seeing more of the 20s into Crystal Falls and Iron Mountain at 24, 19 in Marquette, and lower 20s in Munising. For your bus stop forecast tomorrow, it'll be a frigid one, 7 degrees.